I'm Ed Martinez with Color Broadband, sales engineer, and today we're going to talk about VoIP. VoIP is a product that we have. It's prepackaged, allowing you to actually be introduced to a VoIP environment in a very cost-effective way. It is a hosted environment, so you do not need to have a PBX sitting on site. All the lines and licenses that are needed are provisioned remotely. Also, because it is a hosted environment, it gives you flexibility that you can pretty much, in case of emergency, that your office, God forbid, is on fire or anything happens, you can work remotely from anywhere because the calls can be forwarded anywhere, so you're not completely down. So it's a great advantage over a traditional PBX. Scalability and growth. One of the other features that VoIP allows or provides is, say you get started today with 5 lines, but your office is very dynamic and you are expecting some growth. In the next month or months, all of a sudden your office triple the amount of users or phones that you have. Our system allows you pretty much on the fly go from 5 lines to up to 30 lines on our hosted environment for VoIP. And it can also be done in a way that it can be permanently kept. You can keep those lines permanently, or you can decrease those lines and keep them for temporarily for a minimum commitment of a month. And growth, it allows you not only to add the lines, but you can also add users, and you can add about as many users as your office can handle. In this particular case, we're focusing on up to 30 users. So it's still small enough to get in, and it could be large enough for to manage and handle any of your growth needs. Installations. One of the other attractive features about it is installation. The installation process is pretty seamless and pretty uneventful. Basically, we provision everything remotely, so one of the nice things that you'll see is that you can continue doing business day to day with your old system while we are waiting for the new system to be provisioned. The day of installation, or in a typical installation that we require to have 5 phones, it takes about an hour and another, say, 30 minutes for training. So installation is pretty fast, very easy. One of the requirements, and most of offices do have that already in place, is that each station that is going to have a phone needs to have an RJ45 or a Cat5, the same plug that you use for the internet. And the majority of the offices do have that already. So basically the same jack that you use for the internet, we plug the phone, the computer plugs into the phone, no need to drop new wires, no need to do anything new. Basically the same thing you have, we can utilize. So very easy installation. Cost, we do provide a cost-effective solution. Hardware is relatively inexpensive. An example, a PBX will probably run you, say a 5-phone or 10-user PBX can run you anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000. With VoIP, that is about half, or it could be up to a quarter, depending on how many phones you need in the office. Also, compared to the telecommunication companies, AT&T and Verizon, your cost per call will be 30% less than what you're paying. So savings are across the board. Hosted, because it gives you an environment with more flex to have a PBX on site. The scalability and growth, it gives you the ability to start small as you might need initially, and with a peace of mind that if you need to grow in a short amount of time, you can do that relatively fast and easy. Installation, we pride ourselves. I need to be in the office within 20 days. We can deliver our team circuits in order to connect to your VoIP within 20 days in most cases, so very, very fast. And cost, in also comparison with the telcos, that hands down, we pretty much are up above the competition. Hardware is very inexpensive to get into our system or any of these systems, and compared to the telephone companies, 30% savings. So very, very great solution for any small office. Thank you.